what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, I'm so excited. I was able to get my hands on a handheld vacuum that you can find in Amazon, and it is under the Portutive Amazon store. So I want to go ahead and review this handheld vacuum with you guys. So if you guys want to stick around, then just go ahead and do so. And of course, guys, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. And let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I'm so excited to share what are my best Amazon finds on there. Literally, you can find anything and everything, and Amazon is just where it's at, guys. So I went ahead and I picked up my cordless handheld vacuum. This is my latest gadget, my latest Amazon find, which I absolutely love, guys. So as you guys know, I am a Virgo, and one of our traits is organizing and having everything very tidy. I am such a perfectionist. So I went ahead and I got this vacuum, guys, and I'm so excited for it because it's super lightweight. It's portable. I'm excited to take it and leave it in my car. I think that's where it's gonna live because I honestly feel like this is such a great vacuum to keep in your car. Like if your car is messy like mine, it's always messy. My kids are starting to play soccer, and when we leave the soccer park, they always have their cleats on, and my car gets so dirty from the bottom because it's full of grass and mud and dirt. It's just a mess. So I wanted to show you guys the features and the benefits from this cordless vacuum. So I did go ahead and charge it already, guys. So it does come with a little charger. So what you do is it has a little charging station right at the bottom, in the back. I'll show you guys here like this. So you guys are just gonna slide it in there. It's really easy to charge. The battery will last you like about 25 to 30 minutes after you charge it. So that's all you have to do. Just connect this, and then this cord is connected to a power outlet. Of course, I'm here in my vanity. And here it is. So the little power button will turn red whenever it is charging. However, mine is already fully charged, guys. Let me show you guys something also that's really cool about this that I really like is this little button right here. You can literally take it out. It's really easy to clean. That's what I really love. It's not bulky. It's not like tedious or anything like that. I actually enjoy cleaning, and I like to have fun when I clean, and it just makes my job easier here. So here's the little filter, so you can just take it out, and then it also does have like a little max line right here. So whenever it gets full, this is the max, and then that just tells you like, hey girl, you need to take out your trash and dump it out. So it's really easy to put in and out. So it comes with the filter. You just throw it back in, leave it nice and clear, refill it again with all the mess that you have, and then you can just pop it back in and it'll snap just like that. Something else that came in the box was this right here. I haven't opened it yet, but it does have like two attachments. So what I do notice on this vacuum, guys, that it has a big area where it can pick up, so you can use it alone like this, or you can also use the attachments that came with it. So they also do have this one where it can go nice and deep. Use it in your car seats, you know, like those little crevices that your car has. You could really go in with that. Let's see. This is what it looks like once the attachment is on. It can like really reach. I'm impressed. Okay, we're going to be trying all of these little attachments as well to see how they work. It also does come with another one. This one looks like it has like bristles on it, so you can use it for like your couches, or if you like, yeah, I would use it for my couches, but it does have little bristles on it. So this is another great attachment. And we also got a little brush cleaner. I believe you can use this one to clean out your filter on your vacuum. That's really cool. And it also does come with like the little screws and everything. So if you want to have your charger mounted to your wall, you can also do that and just use the little screws that they sent in. I'm not gonna do that because I'm gonna have my charger here and use it all around, because I really love this vacuum because it's very portable. It's super lightweight, it's cordless, and it's portable. So I do plan on using it everywhere in the house, as well as mainly in the car. So yeah, guys, let me turn it on and show you guys what it looks like. So here's the on button. So what you do to turn it on, you have to press and hold the button, and this will turn blue and it'll turn on. So let me show you what that looks like. All right. Whoa. Okay, so the suction is very, very good. It has a very high suction, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Press and hold to turn it off. All right, so what I was saying is that the suction is very, very good, guys. I can't wait to use it. I'm actually gonna take you guys with me to try it out in my living room, because my couches always get really nasty in between. So yeah, I feel like that's a perfect spot, because my kids like to eat in the living room and they always leave a mess behind because it's kind of hidden. So yeah, I will show you guys how this vacuum works. Guys, so let me bring you to the living room. Hi, Mr. Iggy. Can we clean underneath there, Mr. Iggy? Do I have to ask you for permission? Okay, yeah. So with the original attachment, it is a lot faster for the cleaning up if it's like a big surface, right? I feel like the smaller attachment, I could also use it to clean out my drawers. Let's go try that out. Okay, guys, so I am going to go ahead and try out the brush nozzle now. There's still a little bit of things here in the couches, so I'm going to go ahead and try out the vacuum with the brush nozzle. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and use the brush nozzle now. Oh my God, look at all that nasty stuff I got in there. But this one's really good for your upholstery. Oh, there you see. Check it on in. I could hear it picking up some of the dirt. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but I could hear it. Let's pick that up. Oh my God, this is really good, and it's actually pretty fun. Okay, press and hold to turn it off. Ta-da! That is it. Oh my God, this is super convenient, super lightweight, portable, really easy to charge. Okay, guys, I have another place that I want to try this longer nozzle in, and that's going to be in my kitchen drawers, because my kitchen the drawers get really nasty and dirty sometimes with like the crumbs. Do you guys see all the crumbs that get stuck in between the drawers? So we're going to try out, you see all those crumbs. Oh Lord, I know everybody has them. I'm not the only one, but we're going to go ahead and try out the longer nozzle, which is this one here, so we can clean out this drawer. Guys, I'm actually going to take out everything that I have in this drawer. Let's take all of these little attachments out. So this is what the drawer looks like. They get really nasty on the sides. So this is actually a perfect little vacuum. Like, this nozzle is really going to help to get in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and press and hold. Oh my God, the suction is so good. Also, guys, something that I really love about my portable vacuum is that it also does come with a little dust bag. So I will definitely be putting this vacuum in my car. So you can actually put it in there, or you can just put all of your things together just to store it all together. I'm going to go ahead and put the attachment in the little dust bag that it came in. The other nozzle. It also does have the charger. I'm going to throw the charger in there so I could just keep everything together so it doesn't get lost. And also, guys, what I was thinking was I could even use this little vacuum whenever I am sweeping my entire house. What I do is I do a little pile of all the trash that I need to pick up with the dustpan. For some reason, my dustpan always gets lost in my house when I'm cleaning. Like, I place it in different places and it's always really hard to find. So I feel like this is very convenient because I can pick up all of that little trash and I could pick it up with the portable vacuum. So I'm excited about that. Also gonna throw that in there and just store everything in there in this little dust bag so it's easy to find. Everything is in there, and I'm gonna go place it in my car. Okay guys, so let me tell you what I thought about this vacuum. I absolutely love it. I love how multifunctional it is. Super lightweight. It's also kid friendly. My son loves to help me clean, and I'm pretty sure he will definitely be enjoying this. I think that's going to be part of his chores, cleaning out the couches. So yeah, I absolutely love this vacuum, guys. I do give it 5 stars. Make sure you guys go check out Amazon. It's the Portutive store in Amazon. I will link all of the information down below so you guys can check it out. Highly recommend it. I love it. Go get you one. They're super budget friendly as well. This one does retail like for $35. I believe it's on sale right now, so don't miss out. And yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I will be leaving all the information listed down below. It also does have really great features and benefits, guys. Like, it does come with the 3 nozzles. I have it right here. So it comes with the 2 nozzles, and then the original nozzle, which is a really great size overall. If you need to clean up like in bigger areas, it has the big nozzle on its own, and it does come with the 2 attachments, which are these 2. It comes with the little cleaner so you could clean out the filter. It has the portable charger. I just absolutely loved everything about it. I got mine in white, but they do have different colors that you can choose from. And that's going to be it, guys. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. I highly suggest and recommend to get you one for yourself. And that's going to be it. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Amazon finds.